Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video I want to show you the wonderful expanse of these Gita Findings rings, which are for Swarovski crystals. So we have two different platings here. We have rhodium plated, which is this really lovely silver tone, and then we also have a nice gold plated. So a couple things you're going to note right off the bat are all these prong settings. I'm going to show you how to set a ring here at the end of the video. And you'll also notice that all the rings are adjustable as well. So they're very comfortable to put on, and you would just squeeze it a little bit to fit whichever finger you want it to fit. And what's great about these is there are so many different styles here. So we have one here that's for a pear shaped. This one's great. I love this one. This one actually has two different stones that you could put in it. And on the website, beadaholique.com, we clearly list which stone fits in all these different settings. And then we even have ones with crystals surrounding it. So you see that these have different shapes and are different sizes, but they've got that wonderful crystal surround in both the rhodium plate as well as in the gold plate. So these are very fun, very easy to work with. So I have a couple different stones. I'm just going to show you real quick. This is a cushion stone. I got this gold setting over here. And all you do is you pop it in and then you bend over the prongs, which I'm going to show you on this oval fancy stone setting here. But I just wanted to show you how these are just transformed when you put a stone in it, like this Rivoli right here. Such a nice classic ring and a lot of sparkle because you're using the Swarovski crystal. And then I had to show you this one. So this is the 2 stone ring, and this is a crystal gold patina crystal. And I just think that's so classic and elegant. I love it. And then you could put a different color or another crystal gold patina right there as well. So how do you set this? So I'm going to be using a popsicle stick. Now there are some specific tools available specifically for setting these, and they work with the different sizes and shapes. But I also want to show you how to do it with a popsicle stick. So this is a ring setting here that fits an 18 by 13 millimeter oval fancy stone. And that's exactly what I have right here. And I'm just going to pop it in. And I'm going to hold it in place with my hand. And it just rests in there. And I'm just going to take the popsicle stick and bend that prong over. I'm just using some light pressure. And what's nice is the popsicle stick will not mar the crystal. Okay, so I've got one almost set. You don't have to set it firmly to begin with because you're going to go back and do just a little touch-up setting. All right, so now I'm going to go diagonal across and bend that prong over. And then I'm going to go to the next one over and bend that prong over. And then I'm going to go diagonal again, bend that prong over. And now I'm going to go back to the first one I did. Just going to put pressure on it and kind of roll it up and over the top gently. So I'm rolling it up and over the top gently, and I'm going to go around now to all my settings and do that. Just to make sure it's nice and secure. And what's so great about these Gita Findings is they're really made for Swarovski crystals in that they are perfectly sized. There you go. So you have a very sparkly, gorgeous ring. That is not coming out of there. And you can wear it on whichever finger you want. And again, it is adjustable and just a really pretty statement piece of jewelry. And it is that easy to do. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of these Gita Findings, these wonderful rings, and how to set them with a popsicle stick. There are also bracelets, earrings, and necklaces, and you can find them all at beadaholique.com.